welcome back to my channel Google's View. We're going to do water experiments today. Now shall we start the first one? Come, let's do it. Look, I've got a bowl in a glass of water. I'm gonna pour it into this little cup of any amount, just not to the top. There. Now I am going to light the candle. That's weird. This is great. Should I blow it? This experiment is a success. I mean, it's a success. I've got a bowl of gems candy, which is the color pink, red, yellow, orange, and green, and purple. So I'm gonna pour the colors. Water. The blue one's working very nice. It's starting to work. The blues are working very nicely and darkly. This is beautiful, isn't it, friends? It's working beautifully. Thanks to the lovely gems. They make the lovely food color. We don't even need to buy food color. We can just use these little candies with food color already. The gems experiment is success. Hey guys, this is the next experiment in Google's View. We're going to start with a leaf and water and ink. So we're going to put the leaf in the water and it doesn't move much, but if we put the ink, it will work. Now I have put some ink. Then it will go serve. It's moving. Vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. It works, it works, it works. Great, great, great. Done! Experiment success! The next experiment is I've colored some tissues in sketch. I'm gonna put it in the water. You want more designs? This one's coming out nicely. This one is coming out nicely too. Look at it. Blending colors. Hey, it turned out green. How come? This experiment is also working. This is the best guy. It's success.